Hello, good morning, friends and family out there. Welcome to Lazy Design. Good to have you. Good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from. Today, I want to quickly tell us something about this cold weather, especially those in Nigeria, because we are in rainy season. And this rainy season, it will be good that we cover ourselves because the weather cold though, and this cold they follow so many things. It they cause catarrh, that is runny nose, they cause cough, it they cause fever, it they cause pneumonia. Pneumonia might be the worst one. Even though you go run test, there's this common test we run when one is sick. WIDA, they call it WIDA, whereby you run MP, that is malaria parasite, typhoid, and PCV. Some cases, after running the test, we just say that you have MP1, MP plus, that is 1 plus or 2, or knee. Then typhoid, the same thing. They say you don't have, but that's you are sick. It could be pneumonia, because pneumonia sickness, not good though. Your bone will pain you. You know, say na cold. So I just make I tell you now, my people out there, this period where rain dey fall for this Naija wey we dey, so this rainy season, I beg, if you want sleep for night, lock your windows. Not dey on fan say you dey sweat, because you are not doing yourself any good when you only see on fan inside this cold weather. It will freeze you. Make you dey wear stockings. If ties dey your house, no dey use barefoot, because the cold it dey cake leg. Now all this type now they cause arthritis for elderly people. You hear them, they will complain, say their leg they ache them, they drag them, na cold. So our advice, say make una dey wear stockings inside house, or slippers inside house. Especially babies, when they cover them, even though they sweat. This infant, even though they sweat, cover am, wear am sweater, wear am overall, wey will cover hand to leg. At times use mind ventilator take rub the lungs side to avoid cold, because this cold no be here o. Especially when the rain will just dey fall, come dey see cold. So now make I tell you now, from Lazy Design, keep watching my videos, because more will dey come now. Like my videos, share and watch. God bless you. I love you. Bye. See you in my next video.